Hey, this is John. Today I'd like to show you our point of sale kiosk known as the Nollie. The Nollie is a creative, beautiful design that takes advantage of the style of the modern era. And as you can see, it's got this wonderful shape. And what's great about it is that it's designed to lock in your tablet with security screws so that it can't be taken out. And it's solid. You can't move it at all. You can't get it out without a special security screwdriver. This one actually also has a mount that's built in right here that you can add to be able to mount a card swipe. In this case, I put on an Ingenico card device. And it's great because you can swipe, you can manage your transaction, and then turn around and get a fingerprint signature from one of your customers. So this one also has a rotation plate. The rotation plate is designed to bolt down to the cabinet, or you can leave these off and it comes with rubber feet, so you can just free float it, and you can even use the lock slot that's built in right here on the back. And that lock slot allows you to free float it, put it into place, and then let it stay where it is that you want to. In any case, probably the best way to do it is to bolt it down to the cabinet and then attach the rotation plate. Then it makes it really easy to do transactional work. Enter a customer order, turn it around, get their signature, let them swipe their card, be able to put in their PIN, make their payment, and then end the transaction. So in any case, it comes in black and white. It's called the Nollie point of sale station, and it's a great product. I really love this one. Remember, if you love it, lock it.